Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English podcast. Hi, friends. We're very happy you are here with us today. This podcast is for beginners. Simple English, slow English, real English. Yes, English you can use at home, not book English, real life English. Today's topic is English in daily life. At home, we will talk about daily things. Morning, food, rooms, family, simple actions. Don't worry if your English is not perfect. Yes, you don't need perfect English. You just need practice. Please like this podcast and subscribe to the channel. Let's start learning together. Good job for starting today. At Home English Practice. Part 1. Talking about home. David, let's start with a simple sentence. Okay, I am at home. Repeat with us. I am at home. Very good. Another sentence. This is my home. Repeat again. This is my home. Nice, you're doing great. Part 2. Rooms in the house. Let's talk about rooms. Bedroom, kitchen, bathroom, living room. Now a full sentence. I am in the bedroom. Repeat slowly. I am in the bedroom. Good job. Another one. I am in the kitchen. Say it with us. I am in the kitchen. Great, simple and useful. Part 3. Morning at home. Now let's talk about morning. I wake up. Repeat. I wake up. I brush my teeth. Say it again. I brush my teeth. Nice. My quick breakfast is a banana. Repeat slowly. My quick breakfast is a banana. Very good. Real English. Part 4. Food and eating at home. Let's talk about food. I am hungry. Repeat. I am hungry. I am making food. Say it with us. I am making food. Great. I eat breakfast at home. Repeat again. I eat breakfast at home. You're improving already. Part 5. Daily actions at home. Now, simple actions. I sit on the sofa. Repeat. I sit on the sofa. I watch TV. Say it. I watch TV. Nice. I use my phone. Repeat slowly. I use my phone. Part 6. Housework. Now let's talk about housework. I clean my room. Repeat. I clean my room. I wash the dishes. Say it again. I wash the dishes. Good job. I make my bed. Repeat. I make my bed. Part 7. Family at home. Now, family. I live with my family. Repeat. I live with my family. This is my mother. Say it slowly. This is my mother. Nice. I talk to my family. Repeat again. I talk to my family. Part 8. Evening at home. Now, evening. I come home. Repeat. I come home. I eat dinner. Say it with us. I eat dinner. Good. I relax at home. Repeat slowly. I relax at home. Part 9. Night routine. Now, nighttime. I feel tired. Repeat. I feel tired. I go to bed. Say it again. I go to bed. Excellent. I sleep at night. Repeat slowly. I sleep at night. Part 10. Listen, repeat, speak. Practice loop. Now let's practice together. Listen first. I wake up. I eat breakfast. I stay at home. Now repeat. I wake up. I eat breakfast. I stay at home. Great job. Again. I wake up. I eat breakfast. I stay at home. Wrap up. Warm and motivating. Amazing work today. Yes, you practiced real English. Let's recap. I am at home. I eat breakfast. I clean my room. I relax at home. Simple English. Real life English. You don't need fast English. Slow English is good English. Tell us in the comments below. What is the first thing you do at home in the morning? We would love to read your answers. Thank you for learning with us. See you in the next episode. Bye, keep practicing.